Today I'm extra excited. I'm wearing my favorite shirt and we're gonna make one of my favorite cocktails, the Boulevardier. How do you say that? Boulevardier? The Boulevardier, also known as a Bourbon Negroni, was created in Paris in the 1920s. It has sweet vermouth, Campari, and bourbon. You can serve it up or on the rocks. Today I'm gonna serve it on the rocks because that's how I like it. All right, here we go. Start with the sweet vermouth, 3/4 of an ounce. Then you go to your Campari, 3/4 of an ounce. Your bourbon, you're gonna do 1.5 ounces of this. So the Boulevardier you stir because there are only clear spirits in there. There are no citrus, no dairy, no eggs. And what we want to do is gently dilute it and chill the cocktail. We don't want to aerate it, which is what you also do when you shake a cocktail. You get those bubbles and it gets a little foamy. We don't want this for this cocktail. We want to keep the silky texture and keep it free from clouds or bubbles. Go. Julep strainer. Now I'm going to garnish this with an orange peel. Try to get a nice wide peel out of it. Here, there are a lot of oils in the skin, and that's what we want to basically spray the cocktail with. Like this, and then you just squeeze it. I don't know if you can even see it from there, but some beautiful oils being sprayed over the cocktail. There you have it, the Boulevardier. This cocktail is definitely not for everyone, and the reason I say that is because it has the Campari in it, which is really bitter, and overall the cocktail is pretty strong. So, not everybody will appreciate it, but as a bartender, whether you work in an actual bar or you bartend for your friends and family at home, I think it's important to know a variety of cocktails so that you can cater to all different palates. And everybody might not want a Cosmopolitan or a Moscow Mule or a mojito, so it's good to know these cocktails too. Keep that in mind. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. I appreciate you watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in a couple of days. Now I'm gonna go enjoy this. Cheers.